What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and in this video I'm going to show you my very first dividend payment from Kinder Morgan. So I'm really excited. That's what we're going to be talking about in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I decided once again to share this video just because it's about sharing. Sharing is caring, right? Knowledge is power, right? So I am going to show you guys that I got a dividend payment, my first dividend payment from Kinder Morgan. A dividend payment is when a company decides to give some of their profits to some of their shareholders or investors. So they normally would pay out a dividend, sometimes quarterly, which is the most common. You do have some companies that pay dividends monthly. So in this particular case, Kinder Morgan pays out dividends quarterly, and this is my very first dividend payment from them. So I want to share that with you guys. Now, I want to encourage you guys, listen, it doesn't matter from where you're starting in regards to investing and in regards to the stock market. It's just important to take action. So, don't be impressed by somebody's portfolio that may have, a gajillion dollars. I will tell you guys that my portfolio wasn't always what it is right now. As a matter of fact, I was down $59,000 at one point in 2020. I'll tell you what, I'll show you guys. So I'm going to log into Robinhood right here. I'm going to do my Face ID. Okay, so we're in my Robinhood account, and in the middle of the screen, you guys can see 1D, which means 1 day, that's today. 1W, which is the week. As you guys can see, for the past week, I'm actually down $5,000. Then 1M is for 1 month. For the last month, I'm down $2,000, and then 3M is 3 months. So I'm up in the last 3 months, $33,000. And then this is the part here, 1Y, okay? 1Y means 1 year. So the reason why there's a flat line here on the app is because I really didn't start investing till May, okay, of 2020. And no, I didn't start investing this amount of money that you guys see on the screen. I did not start investing that amount right off the bat. Eventually, this is the amount that I'm investing now. So I'm actually down, okay? So as you guys can see, I'm gonna move this little cursor here, and there's a point right here, October 30th, 2020. I was down $59,000 right there. Let's get back to the, there we go. $59,229 in October of 2020. Okay, so I don't want you guys to think, oh, Dwayne has this big portfolio, so on and so forth. No, for the overall year, I'm still down almost $10,000, which is a big deal. But it took some time for me to learn where I belong as far as the stock market and what I'm willing to do. In the beginning, I was trying to be a day trader, swing trader, and I would have had more success if I had gotten some education on that, but I didn't, okay? So once again, the purpose of these videos is just to share with you guys what's possible, okay? It doesn't matter what your portfolio is. It doesn't matter where you start. All that matters is that you do start. So I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to scroll down to Kinder Morgan here, ticker symbol KMI, and I'll touch on that. You guys can see I have 105.95 shares right now, and I'll go down to the very bottom to show you guys that I got a dividend payment. Okay, so you guys can see here February 16th on the screen. I will touch it. There is a dividend payment. I had 103.95 shares, and I got paid 0.2625 cents, right? So let's call it 26 cents. I got 26 cents per share, and then the payment was for $27.29. So if you go back here, that was on the 16th that I got the actual dividend payment. And then you see on the 30th, not the 30th, February 17th, if I touch on that, I actually bought 2 shares, okay? And the payment that I got, the $27 wasn't enough to buy 2 shares, but I just wanted to buy 2 full shares, okay? So what I did was I bought 2 shares at $15.13, okay? And this was back, once again, February 17th. So on the 16th, I got a $27.29 dividend payment. And then on the 17th, I bought 2 more full shares. So right now, instead of having 103 shares, now I have 105.95 shares with Kinder Morgan. And once again, Kinder Morgan does pay dividends quarterly, okay? But the purpose of me doing dividends is the fact that this is going to continue to grow over time. And when I get the dividend payments, I'm going to turn around and invest that dividend payment back into that particular stock. Therefore, every single time I get a check from them, the check is going to be a little bit bigger. Now, of course, this could go a lot faster if you are more aggressive. If you're in a position to invest, maybe $50 every time you get paid into one particular stock. But because I have so many different stocks, I think I have like 12 different stocks right now. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I have 12 different stocks right now. So it becomes a little tricky to, evenly distribute that. And realistically, I really only have invested $50,000 in dividend paying stocks. Okay, so the other big chunk of my portfolio is with Apple. Apple does pay dividends, but it's so low. I forget. Okay. But yeah, so the bulk of it is with Apple and Tesla. Okay. But I only have like $50,000 or so invested with dividend paying stocks. But I want to encourage you guys to take action. Don't be intimidated. Don't be afraid. The thing is, you got to put yourself in the know. You got to get on here on YouTube or Google and do your research. You want to take action, start investing, start today. Don't wait until 5 years later. I'm 42 years old and I didn't start investing until, well, for real, again, until May 2020, right? So it's very imperative that you guys take action, the sooner the better. Anyway, I wanted to just make another video sharing a dividend payment. Once again, this was my very first dividend payment with Kinder Morgan, and that's what I wanted to share in this particular video. Listen, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. I appreciate you guys for watching so much. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.